good morning. So for today's video, we're going to make a flower from 360Q balloon. Sobra ko pa na balloon. So, just 3 inches or 3 fingers. 3 pala. Basta 3 fingers. Okay. That one. Malaki ng petals. Yan. Pagpuputok ko. Good na. Wala na akong balon. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4 petals. One, two, three, four, five, six. 47. 7 petals, so we're just going to arrange this one. Ay, Jesus. Pumutok yung isang petal. So, we have here 6 petal na lang, guys. Oh, talagang maiiwasan mo. So, naging 5 na lang siya. So, ayan. Naging 5 na lang yung petals. Oh. There you go. Hindi na siya complete. Ayan na. 5 na lang yung petals na instead of 7 kasi pumutok. So, ayan. Yan lang for today's video. Thank you.